Well, guys, as you know, one of the chronic problems of the Audi A3, okay? Whether it's a 1.4, 1.8, 2.0, they all have the problem of the LED in the headlight, okay? A chronic problem. Over time it will cause this problem. If yours hasn't yet, it probably will soon. So I recommend that you go to your car and take a look. But in general, in most cases, what are the problems that we have? One of the problems is that the LED turns yellow, so the LED starts to turn yellow, okay? So you'll see that the LED bar starts to turn yellow. Another problem is that the LED burns out, okay, the LED. So, for this solution, there are two options that you can spend a much lower amount to be able to do this maintenance on your headlight, to get it back up and running, okay? So, I'm going to recommend there. We have a website there with several maintenance parts for your Audi A3. Remember that we don't sell any parts there, we're just indicating links, right, to places we trust so that you can make the purchase of them. So, there's a little plate, okay? This LED plate, right, that makes this DRL LED control, it's here on this little metal plate that you see here that I'm pointing with my finger. So, on this little metal plate, it's inside the headlight, okay? On models with this headlight here, which is the one without that cutout here at the tip, you have to open the whole headlight to get it. So, you have to remove this lens here from the headlight, okay? You'll have to remove this lens to be able to access this part here. To be able to change it, but it's not expensive, okay? We left you the link to this LED plate on the website there for you to China so you can buy the pair of LED plates, okay? For the driver's side and for the passenger's side too, and also the LED bar, okay? What happens is that the LEDs will either burn out or they will lose their intensity. So it could be much weaker if you look at your headlight, probably a 2015, 2016, 2014, 2013, the intensity of this LED will be much weaker, so it will be weak. If it doesn't, and also, right, what happens most to the LED board is this. But there is also the other option, which is that the LED bar will burn out. So, the LED bar will turn yellowish, okay? So, take a look at your car to see if it is starting to turn yellowish, because you will probably have to make 2 replacements, okay? Since you are going to open the headlight, we recommend that you replace the bar and the LED itself, right, this body with the LED, and also replace the bar, okay? Replace this little bar with a new one. And we left it there for you, okay? We left the link for both products on the website for you to buy and exchange. And soon, we're going to disassemble this headlight so we can show you how to do this maintenance, okay? So, if you want to do it at home, you can, because we're going to make a detailed video teaching you step by step how to disassemble the headlight and how to make these replacements, showing the part numbers exactly, showing how the disassembly is done, and the final result as well. And remember that if you're going to take it somewhere to do it, it's not a cheap service, because removing the headlight from the car is not as simple as people think. To remove the headlight, you have to disassemble it, okay? It's the car's headlight. So to remove both headlights from the car, you have to disassemble the car's bumper so you can take both headlights out of the car and then open the headlight so you can do this maintenance, okay? So, if your car has this problem, we're going to do it here on ours, right, on our car here on the channel. We're going to show you what the result will be. We're going to show you the step-by-step disassembly so that you can learn. Right now, I don't do this type of maintenance. First, I'm going to do it here on mine, see the result, see how it looks. I'm going to buy the parts from China, I'm going to show you the replacement, and then only after everything goes well, with quality, then maybe I'll do this service for people who are interested, but until then, I won't put a price on the service, I won't say how much it will cost, and I also won't do the service, because first, as I tell you, I always test it on my own car, and then if everything goes well, with a 10 out of 10, then I'll offer this service to anyone who's interested, okay? So, I hope I've helped you. And finally, we also left it there for you too, right? It's the photo, right, so that you can have the exact model of the Xenon headlight bulb, okay? So that you can buy the bulb or the ballast, the correct model, in case it burns out. And just a final quick addendum here for you. To change the headlight bulb here, you have to remove the car's bumper to remove the headlight so you can change the bulb, okay? Because the headlight is so close to the engine that you can't change the bulb without removing the headlight from the car, okay? So this is something that I think is bad about Audi, it's bad about Audi. They should have made a simpler, easier way to change this bulb without having to disassemble the car's headlight. Okay? Without having to remove the car's headlight to be able to do this change. So it becomes a difficult to access change, a change that you can't change the bulb in the middle of the road. And I found that to be a negative point, okay? So if you're going through this problem, continue here in the comments. Just because the video is over doesn't mean it's going to end now. You can continue here in the comments commenting if your headlight has a burnt out LED, if your headlight has a yellowish LED, if your headlight has a problem, comment below for us. And of course, the first link here in the description is our website, okay? It's the last option there in the link that you'll click on down at the bottom of the website. The last thing will be the links there for the LED bar and also for the bulbs so you can buy them and make this modification or at least know how much it costs to do this maintenance on your audio headlight. Okay? I hope I helped you. Big hug to everyone. Bye bye everyone.